Hello and welcome to the Forma Models Sharing Economy Vehicle Rental Model Walkthrough. This model is applicable for sharing economy rental investments, such as listing a car on an application like Turo. The README tab states the model purpose, highlights common use cases, and provides an overview of functionality, formatting, and all of the unique modules within the model. This tab also provides additional documentation, contact information, and a summary of additional products and services available from Forma models to support your analysis needs. All model assumptions are input and neatly organized in the Assumptions tab. Every assumption includes the measure and detailed description for the input to assist your analysis. Initial inputs are for general analysis information, including the analysis starting date, model currency, mileage measurement, and general vehicle information. Operating assumptions guide the Forma income statement by setting the vehicle daily rental rate, fee share to the hosting application, as well as vehicle operating and ownership expenses. The model is completely dynamic and allows for seasonality to be incorporated into the revenue forecast, which is a necessity for sharing economy vehicle rental businesses. Purchase assumptions include the ability to model leasing or purchasing the vehicle. If the vehicle is purchased, you can model selling the vehicle at the end of the investment period, if desired. Assumptions for the vehicle purchase include net sale price, net trade-in value, dealer fees, as well as capitalized cost reductions. If the vehicle is being leased, assumptions are input for the interest rate, deposit, taxes, residual value, and the probability of having your deposit returned. As a reminder, the measure definition and a complete detailed description of each assumption is included beside each input to help guide your analysis. The Lease Valuation tab contemplates all of the user assumptions to value the vehicle lease and determine the monthly and total lease payments. The lease valuation details all components from gross sale price, to residual value, to net capitalized costs, to the depreciable value. The Monthly Cash Flow tab consolidates all of the user assumptions to develop a Forma income statement. The calculation begins with the revenue projection, which contemplates seasonality to forecast revenue as the product of the number of monthly rentals and the average daily rate. The hosting application fees are deducted from total revenue to determine the net monthly revenue. Operating, ownership, and leasing expenses are then deducted to calculate the monthly net operating income. The Annual Cash Flow tab consolidates the Monthly Cash Flow tab into annual figures. Please note, the model user interface includes always visible key financial metrics in the header on all tabs. This allows users to quickly see impacts on returns and other metrics as incremental changes are made. The Data Validation tab contains all controlled lists within the model and can be customized to your specific use. The Output tab contains the high-level decision driving analysis output to guide your investment decision. The output report begins with a detailed sources and uses table showing the allocation of capital on closing and the capital stack being utilized. This is followed by the annual summary investment cash flow with calculation of the internal rate of return, net present value, and multiple of capital. The report concludes with the investment walkthrough from gross sale price to net capitalized cost. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this Forma Models walkthrough and encourage you to visit our website to try the model for yourself.